Have like 5 screens. Let's see. I can give each one of y'all pencils. I can give y'all 2. You like it? Examine this before you. Let's see. What? I'll give y'all like pencils and some glue for art, everybody, but I can't give y'all all crayons. Okay. Well, I'll give y'all one anyways, but I can't give y'all everything. You only have 1 pack of color pencils?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess you can take them to art and then you could, if you want to. Well, you bring your bag back anyways, right? So I guess it doesn't matter if you take them. You'll bring them back. I mean, I can't give it all my crayons. Yes. Yes. The what? I don't know. Did you answer it right? What was the orange? Let me see. What's the problem on the orange? Maybe I answered it wrong. I don't know why he's orange. Audrina, did you get math? Because math still is not working. I don't know why. But math is not working. Does she let you sharpen pencils in there? Does she let you sharpen pencils in there? Probably not, right? She must to sharpen all of these pencils.
Teachers, pardon the interruption. Good morning. Today is day 2, and I'm asking that we please allow some more time for breakfast as we have students slowly trickling in. So please ensure that all your students get some ample time to eat breakfast this morning as we are trying to get everybody situated into their proper classrooms. Thank you.
So I guess you'll have like 5 more minutes. 10 minutes. Yes, there's some back. So there's some back there. Yeah.
Good morning. Morning. There's not that many people on Zoom anymore.
Not work. Art. Use it for art. You take this with you to art because you can't share supplies anymore. So I just gave you some. So if you want to put scissors and markers in there, you can. So bring it back to class. So bring it back. Can you tell me about that? Okay. Oh, you have like 3 minutes to finish. I'm gonna start on basic facts. What, number 2? You're done eating. Page. What is basic facts? You're done eating. Basic facts. Page 30. As you sit here and wait. Page 30. Basic facts. Adrina, did you get math? Natalie, I can't hear you.
What?
Did you get talking? I couldn't hear you.
No, I'm not talking now.
Okay.
We're just getting my binder.
Yes. And later. Basic facts, page 30.
Page 30, right?
Yes, page 30. I need pens. Did some pen shopping last night. Mine are going out. I think my orange one was going out. One of these is going out. We'll retire that one. green was going out. No, green's good.
Good morning, champion students and staff. Welcome to school on this Tuesday, October 6th. Would everyone please rise and join us in saying the Pledge of Allegiance and pledge to the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for the pledge to the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Let's observe our daily moment of silence. Thank you, everyone, and if you could please be seated, boys and girls, to our remote students who are listening. We're glad to have you visiting us or being with your teacher remotely today. Just a few announcements. For our pre-K, kinder, and first grade teachers, we are going to be giving you some stick-on labels. If you could write the children's names on those labels, it would help tremendously at lunchtime. Sometimes put their name and your name on it, the teacher name, and it will just help us move things through a little faster. We're also going to be making name tags to help with morning arrival and also afternoon dismissal, but those are coming. Those will be printed and put in sleeves. For today, if you could please just write the child's name and your name on the sticker that we get to you, we'd appreciate it. A reminder also about lunch for the lower grade levels, and even for my upper grade level students. Boys and girls, have in mind whether or not you would like chocolate milk or white milk. That'll be very helpful and help us move things through a little faster. Then the last announcement I have is that tonight is our fall annual Title I meeting and open house. So what does that mean, boys and girls? It means that your parents can Zoom with your teachers tonight to find out about all the expectations and the things that you have to do in whatever grade level you're in this year. In addition, we'll kind of review arrival and dismissal plans. And I know some of your parents have questions they'd like to ask me. We're going to post the Zoom link on our Facebook page. We'll also send a note home with you today. And I know your teachers have sent out emails or called your parents to let them know what their Zoom links are. So we look forward to seeing a lot of you. Staff, if you have children who attend our school, if you would sign in to this meeting at 5:30 as a parent, I'd certainly appreciate that. So lots of information to give out tonight. Our PTA will be talking about their upcoming Boo Run, which happens on Friday the 30th. And it's not just a run, I think they have some giveaways. So lots of things to find out tonight. Hope that we will be able to Zoom with all of you. The official time here in the office is 8:24. Let's make it a champion day. Thank you.
All right, basic facts, page 3. Put that away for now, Chloe. You finish something early.
Ms. Hernandez, I have a question.
What was that?
I have a question.
What?
Can we on Zoom? Can we do the open house thing?
Yeah, you can do the open house. It's this afternoon at 5:45, I think it starts, and then We'll do a presentation, fourth grade together, like maybe 30 or 45 minutes later. Yeah. I just haven't sent the Zoom link out because I think we just got Zoom links. But
Wait, what's open house?
it's just where we go over roles and expectations with y'all. Well, trying to do like a million things. Come on, page 30. At least do the bottom part, but we can do the top together. Bottom part. Basic facts. We can do the top together, do the bottom part. What was I doing? Tissues, Michael, you can take a couple of them if you need. Jacob, are you working on your basic facts? Come on. You can use that math chart I gave you. Don't be afraid to use it because eventually you won't have it. So.
Okay, thank you.
So, but where's the others? Where's the other kids at?
We're in class. There's there's what, 9 people in class now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 people in class now. I'm sure they would tell you it's way better in class. Maybe.
My dad said I can't go in class because I might get the virus from others. So that's why. But my sister likes school.
It's up to your parents. I can't force y'all to come to school.
Miss, they're lucky because they're probably in their bed right now.
Yeah, but y'all don't work as well when you're in your bed. Hey, Chloe was always off task, but yesterday she was really on task. She was paying attention. Don't get distracted. It's not terrible that you're at home. I didn't read that email yesterday. Oh, there they are, objectives. I have not printed out yet. That I better print out. Print these out real fast. They can't see when I make y'all write these up there. Have we finished 1 and 2 yet, or not yet? Objectives.
I have.
Okay, do the top part then. I know you can do the top part.
Okay.
Okay. I just saw them. Fourth grade objectives. Oh, it was late last night. That's why. You can start on the top. I don't have time to drink it yet. Let me just print this out. What? Oh, you did the top? I don't need Spanish objectives. Page is this? Page 4. Curious to see. Let's see if we got this right now. How did I put it up? I wish I could share screen. So sometimes when you drink this coffee, it like shocks you. I don't know why. Let's see. I'm scared.
Where did it shock you?
I don't know. But, like it's like an electrical shock. So I don't know.
Oh,
Like a literally like you get like when you like have static electricity on you and like shocks you.
what kind? Where did you get it from?
Starbucks. I'm scared.
What is it?
Oh, it did shock me. Oh. It's like a shock. Like when you get like you have static. You know when you have static and like you touch something.
Like when you rub it, like when you.
Yeah, like when you rub it, like that does it. I guess where they make the foam or something. I don't know. But it's only like the first. It's only like the first time.
What happens when you take a step out of it?
It shocks you, like the very first time. But after that, it doesn't.
I don't like Starbucks too.
Oh, nothing else does it, but that one did it. It's weird.
My mom got the same one today and it's shocked her too. I told her, how did the drink shock you?
I don't know. I don't know why it shocks you, but it does. I guess where they make the foam in like a blender, maybe. I don't know. What?
So what did you? Sometimes I get shocked by my own phone.
See, yeah, that's like what that does. The other day I got one. It was like a really.
My brother gets shocked by a shopping cart.
The other day I got one. I was like, maybe if I put my finger down and like touch it first, it won't shock me again. It shocked my finger and it shocked my lip. It's really bad.
Sometimes I get shocked on my stomach.
Okay.
When I get shocked, I start to get bruises.
I guess it's too strong. Okay. Let's answer these. What's 4 times 10?
40. 40.
10, 20, 30, 40.
On the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, on the bottom. I was doing these first. 40. Ooh, look at his name. I'll do this. 6 times 3. 18. 18. 8 times 6.
48.
48. Oh, that's a 4. 48. 11 times 10.
110.
What?
110.
110. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then 110. Close. 8 times 8.
54.
7 times 4.
28.
28. 5 times 10. 50. Mariah, 7 times 3. Yeah. 7 times 3. Oh. You remember?
21.
Are you doing the talk? Or you're not there yet? Don't be afraid to answer. 5 times 5.
25.
25.
21.
25. You're close. 10 times 7.
70.
70.
6 times 7.
42.
42. 10 times 20. Or not 20, I just gave you the answer. 10 times
Yeah.
20.
20.
6 times 4.
24.
Audrina. 8 times 7. Put you on the spot. Who can help Audrina out? 8 times 7.
8 times 7 is 56.
56. Good job. 10 times 1.
10.
Uh, 3 times 8.
24. 24.
10 times 10.
100. 100.
4 times 3.
12.
8 times 10.
80.
80. 2 times 2.
4.
4.
Easy peasy. Maybe y'all are better at this than I thought. Up top. What do we get up top?
8
Which one? A?
Hey.
times 8.
10 times 8.
I think it's 10 times 8
Yes.
is what?
80.
80.
80.
8 times 10. Fact families equals 80.
And then 80 times 8 equals 10.
Nope. We divide.
Yeah. 80 divided by 8. Sorry, I got mixed up.
80 divided by
10 equals 8. And 80
And
divided.
then 80 divided by 10
10 equals 8.
There's so many of y'all talking. Yep, something like that. It doesn't matter which way you did it as long as you got all of that put there.
And then B.
Hold on. Alrighty. B. 2 times
2 times 10.
2 times 10 equals 20.
what? 20. And then 10 times 2.
2 equals 10. And 20 divided by 2 equals 10.
20 divided by 10 equals 2. And then 20 divided by 2 equals what? 10.
Next one.
Is it 10 times 11? Is it 10 times 11?
Yep.
Equals what? Got it earlier.
110.
110.
110. Oops, 110. 11 times 10. And then 110 divided by 11 equals what?
10.
10. And then 110 divided by 10 equals what? 11. Next one. 2 times 5.
10 times 5 is 50
And then what? 5 times 10.
equals 50.
And then what's next?
50 divided by 10 equals 5.
Yep. And then Mariah said 50 divided by 10 equals 5. So like that. Just like that. Along those lines.
That wasn't too hard.
No, now that you know what we're doing, it's not hard. Yesterday it was hard because you didn't know what we were doing. That's why. Get it, Mariah? You gotta divide it by 10 now. Yeah, there you go. And you divide it by 5. There you go, just like that. You do the bottom?
No.
Yesterday I gave them smoothies. It's in your binder somewhere. Use it. Did we get it? Everybody got it?
Not yet.
Okay.
What do y'all think we're gonna
I didn't get it yet.
Hey, what do y'all think we're gonna do next? If you had to take a guess.
Science?
Yeah. Let them copy it and then we'll still have some over there that are copying. Yeah, problem solving is just like yesterday's again. Just like yesterday's. Okay. Problem solving, page 6. So it should say 2A. It's just like yesterday. We're going to do it again. Chloe was real good about this one yesterday. Problem solving, page 6. So it says, find it, Mariah? Page 6. I know their binders are all weird because the desk doesn't fit in the desk. 6. 6. Okay, it says, the list shows the number of miles driven by a bus driver in 3 weeks. He drove 942 miles the first week. He drove 829 miles the second week. He drove 1,919 miles the third week. If he drove a total of 4,565 miles in 4 weeks, how many miles did he drive in the fourth week? How many miles did he drive? So if he drove a total of 4,565 miles in 4 weeks, how many did he drive in the fourth week? I think they know what we might do. I could set it up like this. We are going to be doing some minusing. 942, 829, and 1,119. We don't know this one yet. We are going to be minusing somewhere in there, but not. It's not the first step. What do we need to do first? Who remembers from yesterday? Oops.
It? No.
Oh, not good.
Who's it?
What was that, Vida? You're like glitching.
I said, what was it again? Because I was like muting my mic while I was saying that.
I didn't say it yet. Yep, Chloe says that's part one, part one, I guess. She says add 942 plus 829. Yep, she's got part one done. All right, add those two. What do you get? What'd you get? 1,771? Yeah. So one, carrier one.
That's same.
Oh wait, sorry, there's no one there to carry. My bad. 17. Right here. 1,771. Then we have to do what? We only added two. What about this third one? Yep. So then we would add one. Now Chloe says we'd add 1,919 to that total we just got. You're right.
I got my answer.
What'd you get when you added those?
360.
Nope.
300.
Nope.
3,000, I mean.
Mm-hmm.
690.
Yep. They said 3,690. So 0, carrier 1, 7, 8, 9. Hold on. 9, then 16, and then 3. That's part one.
And then part 2, you have to minus.
And then part 2, Adrian says we have to minus. What?
3,690 minus 4,563.
Yep. Jacob, make sure you sign in on that clipboard. So they said minus. Yep. Now you are getting it. What do you get? see. Let me see.
Subtracting. I don't remember we start from. Oh, okay, yeah. But you have $6. You have $6. A friend wants to borrow. Oh, borrow from the 5, okay? Pull it in there. No, I have like I told AJ I have $6 and my friend wants to borrow 9. Do I have enough? Nope. Go back to this spot right here. You gotta borrow from the 5 and make that 16. Go back there. Okay. You have 3, and you take no money from me. How much do you still have? 2, 3, 3. 0. You can start on it, yeah. Yeah. Let's do this together. 3 minus 3 is what? Or 3 minus 0 is what? 3. And then 6 minus 9. Do I have enough to take away from that 6?
No.
I need to borrow. Borrow. From my 5, that becomes 4. This is now 16. So 16 minus 9 is 13. 16 minus 9?
9.
16 minus 9. Try again. Use your. Oh, I don't think there's one on there. All right, count up.
3.
Not 9. You can count up too. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, 7. 7. Do I have enough to give my friend who wants $6? No, so I have to borrow again. There's 3. 14 minus 6 is what? Wait, right here, 14. You skipped one. 14 minus 6.
8.
8. You forgot one number. You got this part, Adrian. So 873. Need some practice on subtracting. Need practice. Chloe's already working on her next one. Number 2 says 2B. Not finished that first one? Miss Reed had $9,000 to save for home improvement. She's got a lot of money. The list shows the amount of money she has spent on home improvement so far. She spent $3,431 on kitchen appliances. She spent $1,464 for painting, and she spent $3,050 for carpet. How much money does Miss Reed still have for home improvements? Already? Hold on. See, Chloe, you work so much better here at school. So, we can make a strip diagram again, right? Let's do that. We know our total. What's our total? How much money does she have to spend on home improvements? 9,000 doll hairs. I'm going to put it like that.
Whenever you trick someone, they pay you $9,000 instead of dollars.
Then she spent $3,431 on kitchen appliances. She spent $1,464 on paint. That's a lot of money on paint. And $3,050 on carpet. What does she have left to spend, to put back in her bank account?
Besides Chloe, what do we do?
Plus.
Plus what?
3,431.
Yep.
1,464. 3,050.
Yep. So we add all of these up again. Again, like we just did. You're getting the hang of it. Ooh, and if you're adding and you have one of these place value charts and your numbers are kind of getting scrunched up, this is pretty good for adding numbers so you don't get all messed up like this. Let me show you. Ow. Show you what I'm talking about. Sometimes, or like especially when you're subtracting, I think it's helpful when you're subtracting. So like here, you have 3,431 plus 1,464. It's very helpful when you're adding. So what do I get when I add these two numbers? Yeah, what do I get? What's 4 plus 1? 5. 6 plus 3? 9. 8 plus, just gave you the answer. 4 plus 4? 8. And then 3 plus 1?
4.
Audrina, did you get math or you weren't able to come pick up math yet? You're like frozen. Audrina, you're frozen. And then we have to, is that what you got, Chloe? I hope that's what you got, right? Okay. And then we got to add $3,050 for her expensive carpet. Something. You have 5. Exactly. What's 9 plus 5? 9 plus 5. What? 14. And then I carry my 1. 8 plus 1? 9. 4 plus 3? 7. Is that what you got, Chloe? Look at you. You work so much better at school than I think at home. I think you get too many distractions at home. Not yet? No. Are we done yet, Chloe? No.
Nope.
What do we need to do next? Multi-step problems, meaning there's 2 steps. Now we're in these multi-step. You have to subtract what you got from 9,000. They put that number on there, G, because they want you to stop right there. And a lot of y'all will stop right there and won't do anything else. Even though you know what to do, sometimes you'll forget and won't subtract. We have to see what's left over. So if you spent all that money at Home Depot and you have $9,000, you want to see if you want to have some money for yourself, maybe to go shopping, right?
Oh wait, it's looking for the rest of the money that you have.
That's what's left over. Yeah. So you have to do what, Mariah? Yeah, subtract. Ooh, this is where this place value chart comes in handy when you're subtracting. So 9,000 minus 7,945. It keeps your numbers lined up. See? Makes it a little bit cleaner on your paper. Yeah. Audrina, you're, oh no, she's kind of, I think it's lagging.
Maybe the Wi-Fi of the house is not good.
Do I have enough to subtract here? I don't. No, we gotta come all the way over from this little guy and take and make it an 8. Oh. Well, an 8 right there though. And then this one becomes a 10, which we're borrowing again, becomes a 9, Now we got 10. I'm going to put 10 here. 10 minus 5 is what? 5! Yeah, come on. Y'all know. 9 minus 4?
5.
Yep. 9 minus 9? 0.
And then 8 minus 7 equals 1.
8 minus 7 is what?
1.
Uno. So there's our answer. There's no. Oh, yeah. Did you get it right? Look at you. At home, you'd have been playing with your puppy instead of doing it, Chloe. Not that that's bad, but I have distractions. Did we get it, y'all that are online, or we still need it? What's next? What's next? What do y'all think is next? Nope. Yes. Who was that? Skills. What page is this? Oh, 901. Seems like we've gone super fast here. Page 52. Ooh, I'm gonna let y'all do. We'll do a couple together, or we'll do rounding. We'll do a couple together, then I'll let y'all do a couple. Page blurry. It's blurry. Page 52. 5-2. We're gonna take some notes in a few minutes. Audrina, you got math?
Yes.
Yay! You got math. Good, because it's not working online. I don't know why. It's really upsetting, but I'm glad you got math. Page 52. Trying to organize my binder like that. Let's refresh our mind about rounding before we start. We are already starting. Ontario. Let's refresh our minds on rounding. Objectives. Page 52. We're gonna do rounding. Let's do a refresher. Let's do a refresher. Audrina, your shirt makes me want to eat some Doritos. I never eat Doritos. This computer is so slow. I don't know if it's because I hooked up another computer or what. It's slow. Can you see Audrina?
Yes.
Okay. Natalie!
I'm on page 3.
We're on page 52. Just making sure you're paying attention, Natalie.
When rounding to a certain place value, find the rounding place then continue to look at the number to the right, man. You don't need luck. If the digits 5 or more, then you round up. If the digits less than 5, then you round down. That's how the rounded number is found.
When rounding up, the rounding place goes up by 1. When rounding down, it stays where it had begun. The numbers to the right of the rounded digit get changed to zeros, then it's legit.
When you need to find out an approximate
When rounding to a certain place value, find the rounding place then continue to look at the number to the right, man. You don't need luck. If the digits 5 or more, then you round up. If the digits less than 5, then you round down. That's how the rounded number is found.
When rounding up, the rounding place goes up by 1. When rounding down, it stays where it had begun. The numbers to the right of the rounded digit, if changed to zeros, then it's legit.
When you need to find out an approximate amount, rounding gives you numbers that are easy to count. When you need to find out an approximate amount, rounding gives you numbers that are easy to count.
Here's a trick to use to help you choose where the digit to the right tells you to move. Draw 0 to 10 on a hill with 5 on top. A car drives until it comes to a stop. If it's 5 or more, it moves forwards. If it's 1 through 4, it moves backwards. Forward rounds up, backward rounds down. Just a little trick to help you round.
When you need to find out an approximate amount, rounding gives you numbers that are easy to count. When you need to find out an approximate amount, rounding gives you numbers that are easy to count.
Yay, y'all ready to round?
Yep.
You already know how to.
We'll see.
The little things in life are easy to take for granted, like getting away from the kids for grown-up time.
Big old grown-up time. Page 52. Some of y'all already started. Some of the ones that are over here have started already. Let's round.
What? I can't hear you.
Am I muted? No. Let's round. Page 52. Okay. Let's start. I'm going to do a couple with y'all, and where's my page? Then I am going to let y'all do a couple by yourself. All right, let's put in our place value chart. Round. Ooh, these are different. Round 3,458 to the nearest 100 place. So where your place value chart comes in. 3, 4, 5, 8. You know. Let's see if you get it right. 3, 4, 8. All righty. So 100 place. What number's in our 100th place? What number's in our 100th place? First, 4. So this number's either going to go up or down. What number's going to tell me what's going to make that one go up or down?
It's gonna go down a bit. Yeah.
We're going to underline our 5. And 5 is going to tell us if we're going up or down. What?
Down?
If it's 5 or more, we raise the score. 4 or less, we let it rest. 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. You got a 5 there. The 5 is going to move the 4 to a what? A 5. Then you would have 3 and then 5. And what comes after that 5? What are those?
4.
Zeros. It just becomes zeros. Becomes zeros. I forgot rounding since yesterday. Oh no. So we're gonna do some of these together. All right. So our new number would be 3,550. Or 3,500. Let's put
our numbers in our place value chart.
Ooh, we're gonna do to
27, round 27,453 to the nearest thousandth place.
what number is in the thousands place?
Somebody that's online, tell me. Somebody that's online, tell me what number is in the thousandth place. Natalie, Audrina, y'all turn your screens on. Ah. What number is in the thousandth place? 7.
7?
7. I didn't highlight mine. Ooh, these numbers are all stacked together. It's like right here, I think, right? So the number,
Which number is going to tell me if I round up or round down? The 2 or the 4? That's part 2. What number is going to tell me if I round up or round down? The 2 or the 4?
The 4?
4.
yeah, so we're gonna underline the 4.
5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest.
Let it rest. So then that stays a 4. Becomes 0, 0, and you get 27,000, right? Woo. Let me make sure.
Oh, my bad. Sorry. My bad.
Sorry, that should be a 0, not a 4. My bad.
I'll probably like, what are y'all doing?
No. It should be a 0.
I don't know why I did that.
Thought we were running to the other place.
Let me see. Which one can I let y'all do by yourselves? These two y'all can do this one. Let's do number 6 together, and I'll let you do 3, 4, and 5 by yourself. Let's do number 6. Skip to number 6. So round 172,368 to the nearest 10,000.
Three commas. What number is in the 10,000th place? 7. Is it the 7? 7 is in the 10,000th place.
What number is going to tell me if I round up or round down? Which, 1 or 2? 2.
Underline that bad boy.
5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest.
We're going to do what? It's going to rest, so it's going to be 7, and then your 0 is behind here, not like I did earlier. That was my fault. My fault. I didn't mark it on here. I'll be like somewhere like right here, I guess. 1, 7, 2, 3, 6, 8.
And if you look on the picture, this number is closer to 170,000 anyways versus 180,000.
Some of y'all are visual learners.
Okay, I want you to do 3, 4, and 5 by yourself, or try to do it by yourself. Got it? 3, 4, and 5 by yourself. You ready to answer, y'all that are online? I can walk around here to these. If you need help, raise your hand. Need help? You don't what? What are you lost with? Put it in that place where it's right over there. Number. 1, 3, 6, 7. What? And it says round to the nearest 10,000. What number's in the 10,000 place? No. Okay. So the number right next to it on the right, what number is that? The 8, right? So underline that 8. And then that 8's going to tell us if we round the 4 up to 5 or we keep it a 4. So if it's 5 or more, we raise the score, which means we would raise the 4 to 5. If it's less than 5, so 4 or less, we let it rest. It would stay at 4. So, also put it on here. This might help you. Put your number down. Let me see. It'd be like closer to the 49. So over here. Yeah. Like wait. Like right here. Right there. Get up there. Adrian, you already did this? So, at 8, are we going to raise it? Is it going to make the 4 become a 5? So, 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. So, is it going to make 4 go up or go down? Up. So then it would be a 5 right here. So put a 5 over there. Like I've been doing a 5, and everything behind that 5 is a what? A 0. Everything behind that number becomes a 0. So there'd be zeros over those 4, yeah. So 0. Yeah, over those. So it's just zeros. Finish? Yeah. Make sure you sign in. So your new number would be 50,000, and make sure you put it over there. And sometimes it's better to understand too. Is that number closer to 50,000 or is it closer to 40,000? Just by looking at where you marked it on your number. Huh? 50,000. So let's do another one. The next one. Round 739 to the nearest 10. So what number's in the tens place? 3. And then the number to the right. So that way, what number is that? 9. Underline it. That 9's going to tell you to make the 3 a 4 or keep it a 3. Yep. So then put a 4 up above there. And then everything behind it is a 0. And then the number in front would just stay a 7. So put a 7 up there. There you go. And look, mark it on your thing. 739, put a dot right there. Right there, yeah. If you look at it, is that number closer to 740 or 730? See? Try that next one. Ooh, this one's tricky. So, oh, the nearest thousands. So, you underlined it right this way though. So that it's gonna turn it to a 9, or is it gonna make it a 10? Yep. Finish. No. Look, right here. You see on this one, is this number closer to 740 or 730? That's what you did wrong. We're doing to the 10th place. That's what it was. This one. So that 9 is going to tell me, is that 3 going to go up to a 4 or stay a 3? You sure? 4. So then it would be a 4 and then 0 there. And if you look at it, it's closer to 740, isn't it? Versus 730. Right? So it would be 740 instead of 700. What are you doing? Come on, you're working on these. You have to raise your hand. I don't know. Put it in the place right there. I don't know if y'all need help or not. Y'all have to raise your hand. I can't be shy and quiet, and I don't know. We're to the 10th place. Underline your or this is either gonna become a 4 or stay a 3. In the 10th place. Hold on, I'll go it up. What? place. You aren't paying attention to that one. What'd you get here? 10,000? But it's still 10 space. That 9, is that 9 in the 10,000 space? What's that 7 in? Just that 7? That's not a time, it's in space. It's in the ones. But you gotta start that way. You start writing them this way. All right, number 3. You got round 48,367 to the nearest 10,000th place. What number is in the 10,000th place here? On number 3.
4.
4. Audrina, thank you. So the 4. And this number is going to tell us if we round up or we round down. Are we rounding up or are we rounding down? Can we say 10,000 please? Yeah. Are we rounding up or are we rounding down? What number is this? This goes 2, number 3. Are we rounding up or are we rounding down? Huh? 5 or more, raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest.
Rounding up.
Rounding up, so this 4 becomes a what?
5.
A 5, and then everything behind it's a what?
0.
Zeros. Make sure I'm writing them over here too. And if you look at this number, is this number closer to 40,000 or is it closer to, is it closer to 40,000 or 50,000?
50,000.
50,000. So that would have been your answer. The next one, that's why it got tricky.
Yeah.
Round 739 to the nearest tens. 739. What number? Part of it is, I don't think some of y'all read this part. The tens. What number's in the tens place? The 3. Highlight. I should have given you highlighters to do this part. And the 9 is going to tell me, am I going to round up or am I going to round down?
So we're gonna round up.
Going to round up. So that 3 becomes a what?
A 9.
What? Becomes a 4. I have to say 9.
Yeah.
That's it. 7, and then what comes back here? That's
0.
it. That's it. Is 739 closer to 740 or 730?
740.
Wait, yeah, it's way almost over there. So I think some of y'all are getting confused. This next one's tricky. So when you're writing your numbers in the place value chart, you always start from way over here. So 7, 3, 6, 9. That's part of it. So we're rounding to the nearest thousands place. What number's in the nearest thousands place? Thousands? What? The thousands place? Over here. Oh, I am right here. Yeah, the 9. That's the one I'm gonna highlight. So the 6, I'm gonna underline. Am I gonna round up or round down? 5 or more, raise the score.
Round up.
Round up. So that 9 becomes a what? Don't let this.
10.
A 10. I think this might have been worse. I think that might have been where some of y'all got confused. Yes. 10,000. Ooh.
40, 40, that was a doozy. Alright. Got it? Alright. Y'all have a journal for math. We're gonna start math journals. Or do y'all need one? If you need one, let me know, because I can give you. I gave you one for reading yesterday. We're gonna have one for math, so they can be separate. If you need one, let me know. Or you can put math on it. We're gonna do an anchor chart, and then we'll have our break. Okay, I can give you another one. Is that a different one from yesterday? Is this a new one? It's gonna be your math. Okay, you need one? Adrian, you need one? Perfect. Sorry.
Yeah, I need one.
You need one? You want another one, or you need one?
Just one for now.
Perfect. I guess if you want to put them, we're gonna work at them again.
You have one or you need one? You need one, right? You have one? Just for math? Just for math.
Let me see another one then, so I can put reading.
You should have called.
You can have journal. Interactive. Okay, we'll use this one for reading.
Missed it. We glued something in yesterday, so we need this one out right now. Everybody has one? AJ, do you want one just for math? No? Okay, make sure. Let me see. Okay, let me see it real fast. I was gonna write it on there after that. Just go to the tab.
Okay, I'm gonna put math like way back in the back, okay? And I'm gonna write math on there. Got it?
I'll give you like a sticky note too, maybe to show. So when you have a test, yes, make sure you write your name on that little thing. We're gonna do an anchor chart. I should have let y'all start writing that. This. Try to keep that sticky note on there, okay? So when you're looking for math, you have math. I'll give you one for reading later. We're gonna take some notes. We're gonna go back. Decimal place value. We're gonna start with this. So in a journal, decimal place value. You have your hundreds, your tens, your ones, and your tenths, and then your thousands. I need to finish mine.
Do we go to the binder?
You can close it for right now, yeah.
Can we do like this way too?
You can do it that way if you want to, yeah. It's just gonna be smaller than mine. That's fine.
Here.
Write it in pen. That's in pen. So hundreds. Tens. Ones. Tenths. Remember, this has the TH, the one behind the decimal. That's the dime, too. And hundreds. 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 I should have put the place value. I should have cut money out on here. Oh, we were popping this down in our journal. Oh, I need to write in your zone. I need to label it. I was gonna write one more thing on there. So this is like $100. I wish I had pictures. I would have cut them out. Hundreds. This is like tens. This is ones. Those dollar bills. This is 10 cents. So 0.1. And this one's 0.01. Good morning.
Good morning.
Miss L. We're gonna call you Miss L now.
Miss L.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Miss L, how are you, man? It's good to see you this morning.
Sorry. Get out of here.
I'm so glad that you're here with us today, man. Thank you.
You are such an essential part to
You are
this.
such an
Guys talking.
unbelievable, remarkably amazing. You guys have the most amazing teaching you can ask for.
Why are y'all
I
saying?
just hope a
Are y'all
wonderful
practicing for something?
day. I just hope a wonderful day. If you need anything, please do not hesitate to give us a phone call. Thank you.
Y'all practicing for something? Y'all don't pay attention to them.
Hello, kids.
Make sure you're writing this down. This is going to be helpful in a little bit. When we go over place value again, we're going to go over our monies. We go over our monies. Actually, our monies. When we go over our monies, I should have put pictures out. Printed pictures out. Oh, I guess I could put it like this too. Let me write this another way. 1/10, and this is 1/100. Because it takes 100 pennies, right, to make $1? Yep. So if you come to my candy store and you give me a penny thinking you're gonna get a candy that is $1, you are not going to get it.
There's 100 of them.
Mm-hmm. You will not get a candy from my candy store like that. I will tell you that right now.
You have a candy store?
If I did, yes. Oh, you would not get one from me if you brought.
Yeah, you would need to buy it.
I wouldn't be. I'd be in the.
We still have those things that like every other Friday we have like Snack Shack.
I used to have Snack Shack. I remember that. That was so long ago. I know.
Every other Friday for $1, it was Elsa.
Do they?
Yeah, like every other Friday, they'll sell snacks for $1.
Good here, yeah. And some of y'all would load up on snacks like crazy.
Usually it'll be like $3 or $5.
They have a whole meal full of snacks.
Y'all finished this already? No. Oh man, we got a lot to do today. Oh, and it's our short day.
The short day?
Well, because we have art today too and PE.
Woohoo!
It's a shorter day. They're pretty much gone like from 10 till no 10 till 12, like 12:30.
3 hours actually.
Pretty much. All right. I know.
Miss, when I went to the walk thing, they said, "Are you walking as a parent?" And I said, "No." And they said, "Oh, you're a true walker."
Did you ride your bike this morning?
No.
Are you gonna be a walker again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mr. Thomas?
Yes.
Is it like usually a break time like about now?
I think I'm gonna let y'all have a 10-minute break and then we'll come back. Or
Because I thought we had to have a break at 9:15.
you did, but that's when we had a lot less to do. Now we don't have a lot less to do. And we're not starting right at 8 o'clock anymore. We're starting like 8:20 now because of arrival and stuff.
8:20?
Okay, this is what I'll do. I'll give you a 10-minute break. I'm gonna leave the Zoom on, I guess. I'll leave the Zoom on, and y'all can have a 10-minute break. So at 9,
Are you recording?
yeah, 9:47, you need to be back here if you need to go to the restroom. Got it?
I'm back at what?
9:47. We're only having a 10-minute break. Some of y'all don't even go to art anyways in PE, so y'all have plenty of breaks. Got it? 9:47. We didn't record this. Yep, 3/10. I went through that whole problem and forgot to record. I went through that whole problem and forgot to record. That's bad. Oh, what's next one? Want me to show you? Put that one up.
You have enough now.
1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Just enough. Just enough. Okay. I don't know if this is even gonna all fit on the screen. Let me see. I'm not gonna put all on the screen. Oh, maybe it will. No, it's not gonna fit all on the screen. I'm gonna do the best. Whatever. Whatever. Is it all on the screen? Oh, it is all on the screen. How many do I have shown here? I know it's kind of hard, but who can count and tell me how many's on here? I'm trying to separate them so you can see. How many do I have on here? Whew, there's a lot. 15. So I need to shade in how many of these longs? I know you can't see it right here. How many of these longs do I need to shade in?
15.
So 15 of these one little pieces we have to shade in. I'll give you a hint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Shade in 5 more.
Yeah, I shaded them all in.
Ooh, did I shade in a hole there?
Yes.
I ended up shading a hole where they are still shading it. Oh, we finally have a hole. Now when you're done shading. So. Hey, Same one. Same one. How many holes do I have, Mariah? Like a whole picture shaded in. How many holes? So, do I have shaded in here? Huh? What? One whole thing. So now I have a hole, don't I? So I could put a 1 here. And how many parts of a hole do I have shaded in? Over here on this side. How many longs? 5. So we finally have a hole. 1.5. Look at that, man. We could draw that picture. So how many longs does it take to make a hole?
10.
10. So we could just make a square right here and then draw 5 other ones over here, just like my picture here. And we draw on 5 little sticks. 1, 2, 4, 5. Bam! Look at that. Oh, it's kind of crooked. My bad. My bad. Okay. Y'all that are on Zoom have art. From 10 to 10:45 you have art, and then 10:50 to 11:35 you have PE, and then after PE you have lunch until 12:20. So what do you have today from 10 to 10:45?
Art. And then,
Art.
and then
Art.
And then lunch. So I won't see y'all again until 12:20. Y'all understand?
yes.
Okay, I will see y'all at 12:20 or probably 12:25 by the time we get back from lunch. Somewhere's in there, okay?